know I'm streaming if you see me here. I just don't see myself on Facebook yet, but usually I think I'm live a few seconds before I do. Just wanted to do a quick hitter here real quickly. I'll let everyone get in here for just a second. There are no active warnings in our area, I will say that, but we do have one just to the north of us. So let's just go ahead. There's 6 of you here. That's enough. We can do this. Okay. Oh, 52 now. There we go. That's what I was thinking. It goes up quickly once I'm... yeah, I'm here. I see myself. Oh, send law weather notification. Lightning has been detected. Okay. That's on the cells just south of us here. So that's the lightning. If you just heard thunder, that looks like it's down near LeCount. First off, we're seeing the little cells developing. So we have this one southeast of Natchitoches, this one here northwest of Leesville. They're getting that shape to them, but they're staying pretty small thus far. We do have one tornado warning, and I will go into this because I know a lot of you are heading up to Ruston today. I think the kids go back, or the campus opens back up today. So let's take a look at this one. Let me go with the Shreveport radar because that's further north. Again, this is out of our area, but I know a lot of folks are probably heading up that way. And you can see why they issued a tornado warning. This warning is until 12:45. That includes Jackson Parish. That includes Washita Parish. It's west of Monroe, but I'll put this in motion over the last half hour and just show you what's going on there. This storm had a lot of lightning as it came through Hodge and Jonesboro, crossed 167, and acquired some pretty stout rotation, so they did issue that tornado warning. I don't see any sort of confirmed signature with that, but just keeping an eye on that one. Here comes the main cold front into Shreveport, and behind this, it's going to get a lot colder. Let's go ahead and take one quick look at this. National temps. Yeah, you can see that it gets a bit colder. Let's go ahead and take a look. Out ahead, we're 75, 74. Shreveport's still around 71. You get out toward Gilmer, it's 55. You go to the north side of Dallas, it's 37. You get way up here into Oklahoma and you can't see it. 31 up there around Duncan and Ardmore. So yes, it will get cold quickly behind this front. Going to drop about 40 degrees in a 6-hour span here. So we'll be in the mid-30s by about 10 o'clock tonight. So I don't want that to catch you by surprise. But I did just want to pop on, do a little quick live on what's going on since we do have our first warning. Obviously, our tornado watch continues. That watch goes until 6 p.m. That includes Sabine Parish, Natchitoches, Wynne, LaSalle, Grant, Rapides, Vernon, Beauregard, and Allen. And so far, these storms have stayed pretty tame. Let me just go into the closer to home radar here. We'll take a look at velocity real quick, make sure everything's behaving still. And you can see a little rotation there, a little bit here west of Anacoco. Everything that's developing is getting a little bit of spin to it, but it does not look like we are, we don't have anything that's imminently tornadic right now. Is lightning common in a strong snowstorm? Actually, yeah, in this kind of setup it is. And just because we don't have any local warnings, I will quickly take you up and show you what's going on. I'm watching all the live feeds from back home. Actually, real quick, I'll keep his audio off, but Brett Adair is up there around St. Louis. Let me throw his stream up here. There you go. He's actually... Yeah, he's right in downtown St. Louis there. And it's changing over to snow up that way. So again, not for us here, but I do have his feed I can access that every once in a while. So they're seeing some heavy snow up around St. Louis right now. But again, does not impact us. So we're not gonna get too deep into that. But again, I did want to show you this on the national radar. A lot of heavy snow, just crazy heavy snow, getting 2-inch per hour snow up that way. Lightning and thunder around Cape Girardeau, and lightning, it looks like at least one lightning strike there in North St. Louis up along 270. So yes, thunder snow is occurring. A lot of thunder sleet earlier on for us. Why are you doing that? Get those out of there. Okay. So for us, it is common to, not common, but thunder snow, thunder sleet, it happens. I saw it in Joplin in 2010. I saw it in Lubbock in 2015. And in these dynamic winter storm systems, we do get that. So one more look at radar real quick. Again, a tornado warning for those that are heading up toward, Heading up to Ruston to go back to Louisiana Tech today. We have storms that are popping here from LeCount toward Glenmora. I'm playing with the cameras, taking a look at stuff. Have not seen anything too crazy just yet. How bad could it get today? It's going to be, I think the threat's going to be pretty isolated, but where we see those storms develop and where we get the tornadoes, an isolated tornado, if it hits in your area, then it's a big deal. If it doesn't, I think we're probably going to see a couple of those in our area today. So yeah, it'll be significant for some. We just have to hope that this stays out over open timber, things like that, and just stays away from people as best we can. So that's what we have going on right now. I just figured I'd jump in here, show you that we do have storms popping. We have the tornado watch in place. We have our one tornado warning up here to the north, just south of Ruston. And let me look at the velocity on that and see if it looks a little weaker on the Shreveport radar. So let me put that in motion. Take a look. You can see why they issued the warning. Coming through Jonesboro and Hodge. And then that looks a little less scary. Make sure we don't have anything dropping out of that. Not seeing anything now, but I'm sure a lot of you are headed that way, or several of you are headed up toward Ruston, and I just figured I would pop on and let you know what's going on. All right, I'll be back as warnings are issued through the day. Hopefully not as much as I'm thinking I will be, but yeah, we are watching everything. It's happening as expected. Afternoon was when things were supposed to start, and I think between now and about 5 o'clock is when everything happens. Once this line of storms clears, that's when everything clears out, and that's when we get a big cool down. I'll see you back here in a bit.